Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you thinking about some extra cash online? Today we're comparing two popular reward sites, ySense and Swagbucks. Let's find out which one is worth your time. First, the basics. Both platforms are owned by the same company, ProDedge. They let you earn money by taking surveys, completing offers, and playing games, but both ySense and Swagbucks are legitimate platforms where users can earn money so you won't get scammed. Here's where it gets interesting. ySense offers a unique 8% daily checklist bonus that Swagbucks doesn't have. Complete 2 activities per day, keep a 3-day streak, and you get an extra 8% on everything you earn. That adds up fast. For cash outs, Swagbucks has the edge on convenience. You can cash out gift cards starting at just $3, while PayPal requires $25. ySense needs $5 to $7 minimum, which sits right in the middle. Swagbucks offers more variety with shopping cashback, games, and video watching. If you like mixing things up, Swagbucks gives you more options. ySense keeps it simple with surveys and offers. Both sites pay through PayPal and gift cards. The surveys on both platforms can disqualify you after screening, which is annoying. Expect to earn around $5 to $10 in an hour or two on either site. So, which is better? If you want the highest pay for the same work, choose ySense. That daily bonus really makes a difference. But if you want more earning methods and lower cash out amounts, go with Swagbucks. The smartest move? Use both. Sign up for each platform and stack your earnings. You'll maximize your time and get the best of both worlds. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button and subscribe for more money making tips.